Do your hands sometimes tingle for no clear reason? Or do your legs feel weak, like they're giving out too soon when you stand or walk? If you're over 60, you're not alone. Millions of older adults silently suffer from these symptoms every day. They're frustrating, uncomfortable, and even a little scary. But here's the truth. These signs aren't just a natural part of aging. They're often your body's way of telling you that it's missing something important, something that's slowly running low. That something is collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. Think of it as the glue that holds everything together: your skin, joints, muscles, bones, and even your blood vessels. When collagen levels are healthy, you move smoothly, feel strong, and heal quickly. But as we age, something happens. After 30, your body starts producing less collagen every year. And by your 60s, you may have already lost nearly half of what you had in your youth. This drop in collagen leads to joint pain, muscle weakness, skin sagging, and, yes, that tingling feeling in your hands and feet. Many people think collagen only comes from pills or bone broth. But the truth is, your body can rebuild its own collagen, naturally, when you give it the right foods. And some of the best collagen-supporting foods are simple, everyday vegetables. Let's talk about the 8 vegetables that help your body produce more collagen, so you can feel stronger, move easier, and say goodbye to those uncomfortable symptoms. First up is spinach. Spinach is packed with vitamin C, which your body uses to make collagen. It also contains magnesium, which supports healthy nerves and muscles. Magnesium helps calm down the nerves that cause tingling in your hands and feet. Just a handful of spinach in your daily meal can go a long way toward restoring strength. Next is kale. Kale helps protect your joints and bones with its vitamin K content. It's also rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation, which can make joints feel stiff and legs feel heavy. Whether steamed, baked, or blended, kale is a great addition to your routine. Carrots are another excellent choice. They're rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for repairing tissues and maintaining strong joints. Carrots help with muscle recovery too, especially if your legs get tired easily. Raw, roasted, or juiced, they're easy to enjoy. Then we have garlic. Garlic contains sulfur, a mineral that your body needs to produce collagen. It also improves blood flow, helping nutrients reach your legs and hands more efficiently. Just a single clove added to your food can make a difference. Next, let's talk about cucumbers. Cucumbers contain silica, which strengthens your connective tissues, like ligaments and tendons. They also keep you hydrated, and good hydration means less stiffness and better mobility. They're refreshing, crisp, and perfect for salads or infused water. Onions are another veggie powerhouse. They contain antioxidants like quercetin that protect your collagen from being broken down by stress or toxins. Onions also help reduce swelling, especially in your legs and feet. They're great sautéed or added to nearly any dish. Cabbage is next. It's full of vitamin C and fiber, both of which support your body's ability to build and maintain collagen. Cabbage also supports digestion, which helps you absorb all these nutrients more effectively. And if you eat it fermented, like in sauerkraut, it's even better for your gut and your joints. And finally, red bell peppers. These peppers have more vitamin C than oranges, making them one of the best foods for collagen production. They also contain capsaicin, which may help reduce joint and nerve pain. They're colorful, sweet, and easy to roast, grill, or slice raw into meals. Now, here's the thing. Eating one of these vegetables once isn't enough. Your body needs consistency to rebuild collagen. If you add these vegetables to your meals daily, you'll begin to feel a real difference. Less tingling in your hands. Stronger legs when you stand or walk. Better movement. More energy. And even younger looking skin. To boost your results even more, pair these vegetables with protein-rich foods like eggs, beans, or chicken, and healthy fats like olive oil and avocado. These help your body absorb and use the nutrients better. And don't forget hydration and sunlight. Your joints and muscles need water and vitamin D just as much as they need collagen. Aging doesn't have to mean weakness. Your body still wants to heal. It still wants to be strong. You just have to give it what it needs. Start with these 8 vegetables. Eat them regularly. Support your body from the inside out. And say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs, for good. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to Groom for more health tips made simple. And in the comments below, let us know, which of these vegetables do you eat most often? Or what health topic would you like us to cover next? Stay strong. Stay healthy. And keep growing.